Okay, today is our first swim of the Triple Crown. Now, what is the Triple Crown? The Triple Crown is a series of 3 swims, 3 open ocean swims. The first swim takes place today, May 8th, at Anaeho'omalu Bay in beautiful Waikoloa. The second swim takes place at Hapuna, which is the Hapuna Rough Water Swim. And the third swim takes place on July 3rd in Kailua Bay, which is a Kamakahona swim. Now, all 3 of these swims is the Triple Crown of swimming here on the Big Island, the west side of the Big Island of Hawaii. So, as it usually is, it's a start to another beautiful day at Anaeho'omalu Bay in beautiful Waikoloa. All right, gang, let's get started.
Tell me, do the seasons change? In your mind, coming in with the rain. Tell me, does it feel like home? Let it in, let it go on now. Pull it close to give it up somehow. Tell me, do you stay the same? If you could just see me now, would you believe it now? Clouds breaking, the sky spilling over. I'm coming clean in the water. You were just holding out for everything you got now. Come close, you can lean on my shoulder. We're coming clean in the water.
was it. That was a ocean swim.
Way to go, Robert.
The Anaeho'omalu Bay ocean swim, which is the first swim in the series of 3 swims, which makes up the Triple Crown, the ocean swim series. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. So until the next one, y'all have a great day, take care, and I shall talk to you later. All right, aloha.
Aw.